Hare Krishna everyone, Mila here. Today I have decided to make kachories for the very first time in my life. I've been cooking Indian recipes since so many years. I have made so many different sabjis and puris and roti and so many different kind of Indian sweets like sandesh, barfi, rasgullas, rasamalai, gulab jamuns, but I have never made kachories, and actually I love kachories. So when my friend last week gave a cooking course in ISKCON Zurich, and she told me that she will be teaching also kachories, I thought now or never is the time for me to learn finally how to make kachories. So if you want to see how and what I learned, then please stay till the end of the video and let's be surprised, you and me, because I have no idea how they will come out. I hope good, I hope Krishna will enjoy them at the end. Hare Krishna, chalo shuru karta hai. The important thing when we make kachori dough is that the ration of flour butter is 3:1. In this recipe I used 300 gram of white flour and 100 gram of butter. I put some salt and I cut first the butter into pieces like this, and then you rub the butter into the flour with the tips of your fingers so that it is evenly spread in the flour. Then I add some water and I knead into a half semi-soft dough. That's important, and do not over mix. Then let the dough rest for a while. In meantime, I prepare the filling. I heat up water, and the filling this time is potato and peas. In Switzerland, we only have frozen peas. Unlike India or other countries, Macedonia, we can find fresh peas. So you can always use fresh peas, of course. Here I used about 4 potatoes, which I cut into pieces, and then I boiled them. When they boiled, you throw the water, add the peas, and then mash them with this masher. Mash them nicely, and then make a chance. When the mustard seeds start to pop, add some methi, the cinnamon stick, ginger, some fennel seeds, and then we add the filling. Fresh coriander, and little salt. When the filling has cooled down completely, then make balls. Then take piece of the dough and make like that round with your hands. Stretch the dough, cover the filling, flip it on the other side and close it nicely. If there is excess dough, you can just kind of rip it with your fingers, and then flatten it with your hands. First from the middle, work the dough out towards the outside, from the center towards outside, so that the filling inside is spread evenly in the kachories. And do not overwork, do not work too much, because it should be quite fast, because then the butter will melt even more, and that's not so good. And then immediately you fry it on low flame. If you use electrical like me here, I use number 3. Otherwise on gas stove use like a minimum flame, and it should take about 15 to maximum 20 minutes to fry. Then I will make fresh coriander chutney to go well with kachories. For that I used bunch of coriander, then 1 chili, cumin powder, and I used also lemon juice. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, whatever you eat, offer to me. So let's offer this kachori to Shri Radhesham. We place Tulasi Maharani on the offering. Namo visnu-pādāya kṛṣṇa-preṣṭhāya bhū-tale śrīmate Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada nāmine namaste sārasvate deve gaura-vāṇī-pracāriṇe nirviśeṣa-śūnyavādi-pāścātya-deśa-tāriṇe namo mahā-vadānyāya kṛṣṇa-prema-pradāya kṛṣṇa Caitanyadeva Lord Krishna namo brahmana-devaya go-brahmana-hitacha jagaditaya kṛṣṇa-prema-pradāya namo namaha. I made so many kachories. I am going to bring few to my neighbor because I just can't eat them all. And she will be surprised because actually she loves Indian food. Once I made for her aloo paratha also. She loved it. She is such a fan of Indian cooking. So I'll surprise her now. Hare Krishna, let's try. Dip little bit in the chutney. Oh my God. This is so good and so crunchy. Wow. Oh, please, somebody slap me, somebody wake me up. This is madness. This is so good. Oh. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and you enjoyed the recipe. If you have never made kachories, please, this recipe is a must. It was my first time in life making kachories, and as you can see, they didn't bloop, they didn't fall apart. They came out so good, so crunchy, and inside they were so soft and the filling was so tasty. I can just recommend this recipe, nothing more. But 2 things keep in mind. Take always 3 times more flour than makan, butter, and fry them on low flame. And then success is guaranteed. And then I have another big announcement to make, and that is that in 2 days I'm flying to Bharat. And I'm so super happy and so super excited. I will be visiting only Vrindavan. I will stay only there, and I will try to visit as many places as possible in Vraja area and temples, so that I can show it to you. And if you have a special recommendation or a special desire, if you want me to visit a certain place, please let me know down below in the comments. I will try my best to go there and to film it for you. And please, if you're in Vrindavan and if you recognize me, please do approach me, because I will be more than happy to meet you there. Until then, Shri Radhe Shyam Jai Shri Vrindavan Dham Sabko Mile Shri Vrindavan Dham. Hare Krishna, Jai Srila Prabhupada. See you soon.